Hello and welcome, my friend. In today's video, I came to analyze for you the forex market and the opportunities we found. So, by the way, if it is the first time of you here, make sure to subscribe and go down and hit the thumbs up. And if you want me to analyze for you any pair in the future, just write it down in a comment and I will analyze it for you every week. And by the way, if you are a beginner and you don't know nothing about forex trading or anything, down below in the description there is a course. It's going to take you step by step from scratch till you're going to be a pro trader. And if you want to use my highly recommended brokers, down there is link to my favorite brokers. So let's start today. So the first currency we got, or the first pair we got, is Euro USD. And as the last video I told you, is going to go down or bearish, and that's what happened. So as you see, it's broke here. The trend line is an uptrend line. It's getting broke. So our analysis to it is going to go back up to touch it again. Then from there it will go down again. I think the picture is very clear. And why me I put for you two zones there? I will tell you why. I put two zones here. The first zone is at 1.18795. Second one at 1.19356. So it might the price from here it will go down, or it might from up it will go and touch that zone. Then from here it will go down. The target is it at 1.17728. I think everything is very clear, my friend. For the RSI, let me analyze for you the RSI. For the RSI, as you see, we got the one, that red one, is a daily downtrend. And that one, the yellow one, is for our downtrend or a divergence, or name it whatever you want. As you see here, the RSI enter in oversold area. So our expectation to it will go back up and touch that line here. Then from there, enter the target is it down at oversold area. I think the picture is very clear, my friend. So the other currency we got is the Aussie, or Australian dollar USD. That one the same story as last week. Our analysis is going to be bearish, and that's what happened. And it broke that down triangle, that one. So our view to it, from here it will go up and touch that zone again. Then from there it will go down. It's going to fall down more than that. So the zone is at 0.75814. First target, you can take it at here, 0.74205. Second target is that 0.72349. Third one at 0.70132. I think everything is very clear, my friend. So let me analyze for you the RSI. The RSI, as you see, we got here a downtrend. That one is a daily downtrend. As you see here, the RSI is entering oversold area. So you can sold from there. So you need to wait in the RSI to come out. Then you enter, and enter only if the price give you a candle a bearish candle or a bearish signal, depending on your system or your trading strategy. And by the way, if you don't know nothing about candlesticks, there is one video in my channel. It will teach you everything. So the other currency we got is the cable or British pound USD. As you see it, my friend, last week we said it's going to fall down, and that's what happened. And now it's entering that zone at 1.38086. Our view to it will go up and touch 1.39394. Then from there it will fall down. So you can take the target here at 1.38, second one at 1.36591. The last one is at 1.34944. That's it for that pair, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI. The RSI, that red one, is the daily trend line. Is getting broke here, then it touches again, from there it fall down, and we are in oversold area. So our view to it will go up and touch that trend line again, and from there it will fall down. That yellow one is the 4-hour trend line. So if it touch that yellow one and give you in the chart a candle or a price action, then enter sold from there. So that's it, my friend, for that pair. The other pair we got is USD CAD, and the one I put here monthly and weekly, and you're going to know why. Let me zoom it first, like that. So as we said last week, it's going to go up. That's what happened. Is a bullish. So it touched that zone here. So our view to it will go down again and touch one of the two, 1.23293 or 1.22689. And by the way, that yellow one is a monthly support, and that one is a weekly. And if you want to learn how to draw them, there is 5 videos on my channel. They show you all the ways how to draw the support and resistance, my friend. So if the price give you here in that weekly a candle, enter. If it give it to you here, enter buy. First target is at 1.24795. Second one at 1.26074. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI, the picture to be more clear. As you see in the RSI, that one is a daily trend line. The RSI here in 4 hours, it enter in overbought area. So we can buy from here. So it need to come out and touch that zone. Then from here we will buy, and the target is going to be the oversold area again. I think the picture is very clear. The other pair we got is the gold. The gold we said last week is going to fall down, and that's what happened. And that week it will come down and touch that zone here at 1715.10. Then from there it will go up. The first target is at 1810.87. Second one is at 1861.81. The third one is at 18.12. I think everything is very clear. And that one is a triangle, as you see it. That one is a triangle in daily, and that one the down of it. So it will touch here till that zone. Then from here it will go up. I think everything is very clear. Let me analyze for you the RSI. In the RSI, as you see here, the RSI is given also divergence. If you see it here, there's a divergence. And that one, that blue one, is a daily trend line. So our view from here, it will go down and touch that divergence trend, and from there it will go up to overbought area. I think everything is very clear, my friend. The other currency we got is New Zealand USD or Kiwi. That one, as we said it last week, is going to fall down, and that's what happened. So our view to it, because now it touched that zone, our view to it will go up, and from there it will fall down again. It will touch that 0.17817 or 0.71478. The first target, where is it the price now? Second target at 0.67078. The third target at 0.66015. Everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI. As you see in the RSI, that a divergence, it happened last week, and that's what happened here. So the price here is it in oversold area, the RSI. So our view to it will go up and touch the trend line again, and from there it will go down to the oversold area. So when it touch that trend line, your target is going to be oversold area. I think the picture is very clear. The last pair we got is the USD Swiss franc. And the one last week we said it's going to go up, and that's what happened. Because the interest rate or Federal Reserve decision, and they said they will not change the interest rate, and that's very bad for the US dollar, because inflation is too high, but the currency, it's acting different than the economic. That's when everything is going to be expensive. That way the currency is getting more high. So it's going to come down from that area from 0.92 135 or from 0.92 618. Then the entry is going to be from 0.9089 or 809, sorry. First target, where is the price now at 0.92 135, second one at 0.92 618, the third one is it at 0.93 598 or the top of here. I think everything is very clear, my friend. Let me analyze for you the RSI. As you see that daily trend, and the RSI now is it at overbought area. So our view to it will go down and touch the trend line here, and from here it will go up. So you enter when it touching the trend line here, and the target of you is going to be up at overbought area. If you want to draw the trend, just you came in 4 hours and do like that, as you see it here. I think the picture is very clear, my friend. So if it's the first time of you here, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you in the next week. Bye, my friend.